Good morning, party people. Still in Cincinnati, and things yesterday did not go as well as I hoped. I did most of the work, I guess all of the work on this thing here, dark cherry, and half of the stuff I did didn't work out. Sometimes it's like that. Usually when I see that happening, I just call it a day, but I didn't know till I got in the car to drive back to the hotel. Anyway, I'm gonna fix a couple of things on this. I'm gonna do kind of a major job on another Volvo. I think it needs an AC evaporator. Hopefully I get that stuff wrapped up tomorrow before noon and head east towards Washington, D.C. I have a viewer in California, Fresno I think he's in. He has located a vehicle in the LKQ or pull apart somewhere in Indianapolis. It is a Volvo 144, something like that. It has a hood that he needs and maybe a grill and possibly some seats. If there's anybody in that area, Indianapolis, that can pull that stuff for him, he will pay for the part, pay for some labor, and pay to have it shipped to him. Mostly people think they ship stuff like that through the busing system, Greyhound or something. So if somebody can help him with that, that'd be great. I got a lot of messages yesterday. I was slammed yesterday, so didn't get to respond to a lot of messages. I will do that hopefully today. However, I am going to be doing double time today, making up for what didn't work out yesterday, and hopefully getting what I need to get done today. Then I found out Panther's battery is dead, so I need to figure out if they sell that battery in town so I could cash in on the warranty on that. So, hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching, and you folks out east, hope to see you soon. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching.
A little bit though. A little bit.
Oh shit. Alright, keep going.
It's like looking for it, Dad.
Yeah, I don't see any of these holes.
Right.
Go
like
one more time.
Trying to do it slowly.
Yeah, I know. Keep going. I think I may see how to, a little bit more, and I may see how to get it to go myself. One more time. One more time. Keep going. Keep going. Hole right there. See that hole right there? Alright, a little bit more. Alright, right there.
Is it lined up?
Thanks. No, it's not lined up. I'm going to have to figure out how to line it up. Alright, man, I got it from here. Flywheel was not lined up with the torque converter, so I had to use this to reach over the flex plate and turn the torque converter until I got that hole lined up. Now I could put a screw in there and go around there and put the rest of them in. Get the starter in, connected, alternators connected. Time to get the PCV on, the coolant hoses on, turbo piping on. Just finish this thing up so I can fire this car up and change the fluids. Swap the thermostats over for the Volvo one on the right and got rid of these bolts up here while nothing's in the way. 6:30. Going in took me longer than coming out, which I guess is expected. I'm going to take a quick water break here, but I need to add coolant. I'm going to drop this oil, put some Walmart full synthetic oil in, run it for 30 minutes, change that and the filter. I'm going to put that engine mount up there, drop the battery in, put the air scoop on there, and add coolant. This is the oil I'm using for a flush. It's $1 more than the regular oil. Then this is the coolant. I believe is a perfect match to the Volvo's G48. I bought 2 gallons because they don't sell that full strength. Volvo dealer too far away, so I just bit the bullet and bought 2. That cost me $42. It'd have been cheaper if I'd have bought a gallon from Volvo and separated. Anyway, that's where I'm at with that. Put this wheel on, torque that axle nut down, and I think I'd be totally done here. So let me take my water break and do this last maybe 30 minutes worth of work and fire this thing up. Drop the oil. That went well. Poured a gallon of coolant in. Nothing dripping under the car. That's going well. So now I'm going to drop fresh oil and fire this thing up after I put that mount on. Get this tire on. Think we're ready to fire this thing up. Still got to put the snorkel in. No big deal. Everything else should be good to go. So let's fire this thing up, let it idle 10-15 minutes, then drop the oil, change the filter, and torque these wheels and stuff down. So here goes nothing. 238,000 miles. Prime the fuel pump. That hadn't been done. And she's running. And she's quiet. Just a little puff of smoke. That's it. There's some sludge in Lil Red's engine. So we're going to do an oil sample on that. Compressor's running. I got that hooked up right. Let this thing idle for a little while. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.